Hello, it's Mrs. Adam here again today with another episode on an input where we are going to actually make our own input today using aluminum foil and copper tape. So let's get started. This is considered a digital input, meaning the fact that the copper tape is either going to be touching the aluminum foil or it won't be touching the aluminum foil. So there's two states, on and off. So I have that listed here. We are going to be using, it is a digital obviously, and it's an input. When we use inputs, we always use the read blocks. So today, when we code this, we will be using a block called the digital read pin block. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind. So the digital values are 0 means off and 1 means on. So if it's off, that's when the copper tape is not touching the aluminum foil, and it's considered on when the copper tape is touching the aluminum foil. And so the code that we will be doing today is this. It's going to forever check whether or not that copper tape's touching the aluminum foil. If it is, which the digital read pin P0 is touching it, that means 1 means it's on, you'll see a smiley face. If it's not touching the aluminum foil, you're going to see the horizontal line. If you scroll down also here on the help sheet, I just have a couple pictures just of this so you can see, like, okay, the copper tape's touching, I see the smiley face, the one piece of copper tape isn't touching, then we see the straight line. So both pieces of copper tape have to be touching the aluminum foil to be considered on. So I'm going to real quickly go over here to make code and just show you that code here again. We're using the digital read pin P0. So what that means is we will need to hook our alligator clip up to P0. We will use alligator clips with the pinchers on both ends. So we'll clip one here onto P0, and then since this is an input, the other one goes to 3B like this. And I already have this code downloaded onto my microbit. Basically right now, the copper tape is not touching the aluminum foil. So we see the horizontal line. When I do touch the copper tape to the aluminum foil, we see the smiley face. So now it's off, it's not touching the aluminum foil. Now it is touching the aluminum foil. I'll try to hold this up here so you can see it. So I got a little piece of copper tape, or aluminum foil with my copper tape is touching. So now you see the smiley. If I take the copper tape off of the aluminum foil, you can see the horizontal line. Okay, so this one's a pretty easy one. Good luck. Remember, if you run into any trouble, ask 3 before me. The help zone is in the back of the room with the color-coded help sheets. And also you have this help sheet in your notebook. So please use your resources along the way so you can be a self-directed problem solver. Good luck as you code the last input activity. And then our next episode will be starting in on the outputs. Good luck and happy coding.